Okay guys, so for the past few years I've been using the 1D Mark IV. I shoot landscape, birds, and any other stuff for this. It's a very pristine condition camera. So, so how does it feels like during 2021? It's still very competitive with the rest of the camera system, the Canon. The focusing for this is very amazing. Then the image quality, although 16 megapixel, is still very good. I crop a lot during my birding, yeah, and it's already somebody already wants this. So yeah. So what does it feels like? It's a very capable camera built like a tank. Yeah, good image quality, no dead pixel on the sensor. And, my complaint about this is just the weight. But for the color rendition, the image quality, it's still very competitive with the current line of EOS. Uh, I'm selling this, I'm letting it go because this is too heavy during travel. So I just recently got another camera, the 5D, so much lighter than this one, but it is still a DSLR. I'm sticking with a DSLR because of my EF lenses that I'm using. So yep, for photography, for basic, it is still very. And what I miss about this, what we'll miss, is that this shoots amazing pictures. Yeah, and the buffer size for this is very large. Right? It keeps going on. It's like a yeah. I just press. But this is a very capable camera. So how does it feels? I shoot a very good photos for family, for architecture, for real estate. Yes, that's why. And for now, since I'm shifting to video, that's why I also need the video capability for this is good enough. It can produce a 4 HD for a 30 frames per second, and the 720 can last up to 60 frames per second, enough for slow motion. Yes. I got this from a second hand from eBay, then sudden then sad to let it go this April 2021. Okay, so hope once you go 1D you can never go back. You will surely miss this camera. And the LCD screens, last thing I shoot about this was my Lola's funeral. So, and the low light, yeah, the color rendition and the LCD screen, it's built like a tank. So yeah, solid, good. For the image quality, I don't really need more than 20 megapixel for the current setup, but for those who shoot for poster and billboards, then you need a bigger. But for posting on Instagram, Facebook, this will be the perfect camera. For now, perfect rubber, and the rubber grip is firm. So what you can feel is that this is a large body. Okay, and the battery is also large. Okay, so sad to let it go. Yeah, 1D Mark IV still rocks this 2021.